What does it really take to get rich? If you're thinking it's just about having the next billion-dollar idea or coming from a wealthy family, think again. Gary Vaynerchuk, or Gary Vee, has spent decades building businesses, investing early in giants like Facebook, Uber, and Twitter, and inspiring millions with his brutally honest advice. But his path to wealth isn't built on luck or shortcuts. It's built on mindset, patience, and taking action every single day. In this video, I'll break down Gary Vee's real formula for getting rich in a way that's simple, practical, and completely beginner-friendly. If you've ever felt stuck or overwhelmed by where to start, this video will guide you step by step. And make sure to stay until the end, because one of the most surprising beliefs Gary holds might completely shift how you think about success and money. Number 1. Play the long game. The number one thing Gary Vee preaches is patience. In a world obsessed with overnight success, he's telling people to zoom out. He constantly reminds us that wealth is built over years, sometimes even decades. Most people overestimate what they can do in 1 year and underestimate what they can achieve in 10. Example: let's say you start an online business selling handmade soaps. In the first year, you only make $1,000. Most people would quit. But what if you used that first year to learn marketing, improve your products, and connect with your audience? By year 5, you could be making $100,000 annually, just because you stuck with it and kept improving. Number 2, self-awareness is your superpower. Gary Vee says one of the most underrated keys to getting rich is self-awareness. This means knowing what you're good at, what you enjoy, and what you absolutely hate. You don't need to be good at everything. You just need to lean into your natural strengths. Example: if you're shy and hate being on camera, don't force yourself to be a YouTuber. Maybe you're great at writing. Start a blog or write product descriptions for e-commerce stores. If you're outgoing and love sales, try affiliate marketing or freelance consulting. Self-awareness saves you time and frustration. Number 3, work your face off. Gary doesn't sugarcoat it. If you want to build wealth, you need to outwork everyone else. This doesn't mean burning out, but it does mean using your time wisely. He often talks about the 7 p.m. to 2 a.m. window as your secret weapon. Example: imagine you work a 9 to 5 job. Instead of spending the evening watching Netflix, you use your nights to build your brand, learn a skill, or start a side hustle. It might not be fun in the short term, but it's how wealth is built in the long term. Number 4, document, don't create. Perfection is the enemy of progress. Gary tells people to document their journey instead of trying to create perfect, polished content. Authenticity builds trust faster than anything else. Example: say you're learning graphic design. Instead of waiting until you're an expert to post content, share your beginner projects. Talk about what you're learning and the mistakes you're making. You'll attract people who relate to your journey, and you'll build a community while you're still learning. Number 5, start flipping. Gary Vee constantly recommends flipping as a simple, practical way for beginners to start making money. It's hands-on, doesn't require tech skills, and helps build business instincts. Example: spend your Saturday morning at a local thrift store or garage sale. Find 5 things you think are underpriced, maybe a vintage jacket, an old video, game, or a rare book. Research it, list it on eBay or Facebook Marketplace, and flip it for a profit. Many people start this way and eventually turn it into a full-time income. Number 6, stop caring what others think. One of the biggest reasons people don't start is fear. Fear of judgment, criticism, or embarrassment. Gary says the moment you stop caring what others think is the moment you start winning. Example: maybe you want to start posting on LinkedIn about your career journey, but worry your coworkers will judge you. Ask yourself, will their opinions pay your bills or build your future? If not, post anyway. The more you act without fear, the stronger you become. Number 7, taste everything early. One specially in your 20s, Gary suggests trying everything. Don't. Try to figure it all out up front. Experiment. You don't need to commit right away. Just try different things until something clicks. Example, try building a Shopify store, then experiment with a YouTube channel. Launch a small freelance gig. Take a course in coding, try reselling, or start a TikTok series. Through tasting, you discover your strengths and your passions. Number 8. Build a personal brand. In the modern economy, attention is one of the most valuable currencies. Gary insists that everyone, yes, even you, should start building their personal brand. People want to buy from people they trust. Example, start posting helpful tips on Instagram about whatever you're learning, whether it's budgeting, career advice, or DIY crafts. Over time, your audience will grow. You can turn that trust into income through services, courses, affiliate links, or brand partnerships. Number 9. You're not too old or too late. A huge Gary Vee message is that you're never too late to start. Whether you're 18 or 58, you have time. What matters is that you start now. Example, you could spend the next 3 years saying it's too late, or you could start building something today. Whether it's a skill, a business, or a YouTube channel, 3 years from now, you'll either have a result or regret. Choose the first. Number 10. Embrace failure as fuel. Gary believes failure is essential. Every mistake is a learning experience. Instead of fearing failure, use it to improve your next move. Example, you start a small business and no one buys your product. Instead of quitting, analyze what went wrong. Was it the pricing, the marketing, the audience? Use that data to pivot, adjust, and relaunch better. Number 11. Kindness is ROI. Positive Gary Vee talks about kindness and empathy as underrated tools in business. When you treat people well, customers, collaborators, even strangers, you build long-term goodwill that can come back in powerful ways. Example, say someone messages you for advice and you help them out for free. A year later, they might refer a client or opportunity your way because you gave first without asking. Number 12. Execute. Instead of just planning. Gary says people waste too much time thinking and not enough time doing. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Just start. Start messy, start scared, start unsure, but start. Example, instead of reading 10 blogs about freelancing, create your Fiverr or Upwork profile today. Update it weekly, improve it over time, and pitch daily. Action is the only way to grow. Number 13. Use free platforms to build leverage. Gary constantly reminds us, the internet has leveled the playing field. You can reach the entire world for free. The only thing stopping you is effort. Example, a high school student starts posting resume tips on TikTok. Within a year, they're getting 50,000 views per video and monetizing through affiliate links, resume templates, and brand deals, all without spending a single cent. Number 14. Legacy over Lambos. Lastly, Gary Vee reminds us that wealth isn't just about fancy cars and mansions. It's about doing what you love, helping others, and leaving something that matters. Money without meaning is empty. Example, would you rather be known for having a Lamborghini or for building a business that gave others jobs and improved lives? True wealth is about purpose. So, how do you get rich the Gary Vee way? You build slowly, focus on your strengths, stay patient, and take massive action, even when no one is watching. Most people quit because they think they're behind or not good enough. But Gary Vee would tell you, you're just getting started. Now tell me in the comments, which one of these principles are you going to start applying today? Let's hear your plan.